Welcome to Vern, Jack of all trades and master of none. We received the Snapshot from Progressive, and we're going to go inside the box and take a look at what came. We can start saving. So, two devices. It shows you which one is which for what car. Put that over here, and I'll put that over here for now. As a reminder here, please return your Snapshot device after use. Okay, and there's an overview here. And then it looks like return shipping here. So that's all in the box. Okay, let's go plug them up. And by the way, I've taken a photo of the way it looked in the box, the way it was all set up before I took them out to the cars. Okay, so I'm in the Equinox, Chevy Equinox. I've got the appropriate item here for this truck, and I'm going to, I don't think I'll be able to show you underneath here. I'm going to go under here and somewhere under the steering wheel is where you're going to plug this thing up. Just going to make sure you have it oriented the right way. Oh, jeez. Might take a little finagling, but you'll find it. Once you find it, push it in. Here's the lights blinking. It says when it's plugged in properly, it'll light up and beep. So let me turn the vehicle on. I think that's what I need to turn the vehicle on. Step 1, plug Snapshot. Plug in. The plug-in port's usually located underneath the steering wheel. Go online to find the plug-in port for your vehicle. Start the car to activate. Listen for the beep and look for the lights to blink. When plugged in properly, the Snapshot device will light up and beep. And they'll send an email. I'm not getting any beeping. I don't know why I didn't get any beeping. Let me. Try this again. And turn it on. don't know. I don't hear any beeping. Let me get closer to it. I'm going to try the other one. Okay, so for the Pontiac, we're going to go ahead and plug it up. This port, this particular car, gives me a problem when I go and get it. Let's listen for these 3 beeps. Let me turn it on then. Those beeps are coming from the car. So it went to green, but I never heard any beeps. No beeps that I can identify as coming from the unit. I don't know. Okay, so on both of these items, I'm going to go ahead and see if the emails came through. So on both of these items, I'm going to go ahead and see if we received the emails, and we'll go from there, that they're operational. So we did receive the emails on both of them. They're active. When you start your vehicle, the units beep 3 times, and you just drive. I haven't experienced any electrical problems, nothing major anyway. One time there was something, it was reading error on my dashboard, but I think it's because I started driving before the unit kicked in. But anyway, just drive safely and you should be fine. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hi friends, as a quick follow-up, since getting the Snapshot, I decided to remove it. I didn't appreciate the tracking piece of it. Plus, there was some minor electronic issues with it. So for me, I'd rather, the benefits did not outweigh the risk. It's just another way for them to track you, in my opinion. I got rid of them. You do as you please, but it worked. Thanks. Bye.